Hey, hello. Good morning, good afternoon. Hey guys, welcome. Join our live coding session with Bobby today. I'd like to welcome my special guest today, Bobby Hotamov.
Hey, hey,
Bobby,
how you doing? Good morning.
what's
Thanks for
happening,
having me.
bro?
Thanks
How
for
are
having
you?
me. Yeah, very
Yeah.
excited.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm glad you take your time. And then we're gonna talk about a lot of stuff.
Excited.
I
Yeah.
kind of put together a little bit of some plans today, so I'm gonna share with you guys, and then we'll probably answer some of the questions that you guys might have. And the goal today is just to have fun, just talk about the different things, and plus that we want to set up Bobby's first homepage. So I'm thinking about I'll walk you guys through how to set up the AWS, GoDaddy.com, and also install the Ubuntu. What else? And yeah, I got the list. So we're gonna talk about all that stuff. All right. So hammalarga assalomu alaykum. Sanjar Bek Davlatov Gulistondan salom deyapti. Va alaykum assalom. Diyorjon, Islom, Ashurov, Mr. Shah, Abdujalil, hammalaringga va alaykum assalom. Sog' bo'linglar. Yana ozgina bir ikki minut vaqt beramiz qo'shib olguncha. So Englishcha o'zbekcha ketadi nimamiz? Format. Mostly English because as you guys know, the technology world basically it's in English. So I'll be happy to answer any of your questions and translate something if you guys don't understand or that doesn't make sense. And Bobby also comfortable with English as well, right?
Absolutely.
So good. We're live on all the social medias except LinkedIn. I was not able to get that hooked up because of some session token or something. Otherwise, we're live on Facebook page, YouTube, and so at least four, and my personal page as well. So you can check it out, Bobby. If you go to any of my site, you see it should be working now. Let's see. Now let me just check it out. Okay, so let me check. You're live? Yeah. Oh, nice. Awesome. That's great. Quality is awesome.
Yep.
The audio is coming through okay, so that's great. I'm happy. Okay, Bobby. Then, so last conversation we had last time. So you're supposed to come up with I don't know if you had a chance, of course. If not, we can do it today. Do you have like a favorite domain name that we have to purchase or we need to get done?
Yeah, it could just be my first and last name, and then myitedu. That'd be perfect. Yeah.
Okay, all right, sounds good. So we can do that as well. And so what I want to do is I will set up a couple things. So first one is let me see if I can log in here, and I'll share my screen as well, guys. So let me log into my HostGator here and AWS. Okay. Now for that, I'm probably going to need my MacBook. I'll switch to my MacBook here. All right. So sorry about that. I'm in the same room and I got a different camera. So now, first thing is first. Let me log into my MacBook and let's start working. All right, and I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour of what I'm doing. Okay, so I think I'm going to remove some of the things. So I'm going to share my screen, guys, and let me know if you don't see my screen.
Yep, it's good.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, if I have to remove some of the stuff, let me see how it looks on Facebook. I want to make sure everybody can see it. Yigitlar, anaqa ko'rinyaptimi? Anaqa deydi, nima deydi? Men ekranim yaxshi ko'rinyaptimi? No? Aslida no deyaptimi? You guys see my ekran? Okay? My screen?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh.
I'm on the Facebook Live. It's good.
Is it working?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's good. It's a little smaller, but, should be okay, I guess. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm going to set up something here. I got to go to AWS. Then I have to give a proper permission. Just give me 1 second. I'm doing that right now. Okay, so let's see. Go to AC2. Notification. Now I'm trying to log into my site. All right. Apparently my IP address might have changed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and check it out. See what's going on with the security group on Amazon, on AWS. So yeah, those kind of stuff we're going to talk about. Like what happened. Now, what do you do if you run into any kind of issues like security issues? You can log into your SSH. Let me see. Why is that myitedu? Maybe IP. Give me a second. Yeah, let's check it out. The IP address might have changed that. Okay, this is gonna be it. Then it's gonna time out. Let's do this SSH and address. Okay, so now I'm here. You can see I'm using the Linux, but Ubuntu flavor.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's go to www, and then right here, sometimes what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a. First of all, before we do that, I'm gonna open up. Up. And switch to my company name, myitedu. So far, so good, guys. Hamas yaxshimiz, all of us yoz qo'yinglar. No problem, okay? So I can see myself as well. All right, Bobby, we're gonna create a Bobby, right? Is that good?
Mhm. Yep.
Don't forget that it's going to be dot between that Bobby Hotamov. Or is that too long for you? Or is that what do you want? You want just Bobby, or you want Bobby Hotamov? Is that good?
It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. All right. So I just put the Bobby Hotamov here, and let's go to private. Add that license. No, you don't need that. And let's see. It looks like it wants me to pick the. Not sure why is it asking. Ignore. Oh, I don't need to ignore. Yeah, that's okay. It's fine. So we don't need a license as well. So let's go ahead and create a repository. Okay. So now, first thing is we created a GitHub repository. So then I have to give you permission here at collaborators. Again. Okay, and click on here. What was the big Bobby Silver?
Bobby Silver. Yep, 10.
Okay, good. I tried and maintain. So I'm gonna give you right permission. There we go. Beautiful. So go ahead, accept the invitation. Yeah, we can also set up the local working environment as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK, and then there's a copy. Then we're gonna come down here and we'll say git. All right, let's do the PS1 myitedu. There we go. Now, so I just want to check where I am, and then we'll say git clone, and then I can drop it here. Bobby Hotamov. So let's go, Bobby. You know what? I'll just leave it the way it is. But unfortunately, when you deal with folder name, so you may want to convert that dot to underscore. Okay, so we're good to go now. So we can go ahead and click on this. Let's see.
The invitation page you sent me takes me to a 404 page.
Oh, you have to log in first on the GitHub. You may want to log in. Yep. All right. I'm not sure what's going on with security group because I recently changed it. And let me see if I can go ahead and change that as well. Invitation. Something is up. Owning. Not happening. All right. Let's see. HTTP public. If everything is public. For now, I'm gonna have to give temporary permission on traffic. Okay. All right. Let me just go ahead and ping some other IP addresses like google.com. See if there's a way I can get out. Okay, so I have a connection to outside, but for some reason I'm not able to git clone it. Not sure why. How about if I just leave it the way it is? Is that the problem? All right. If this takes a little longer, so what I'm going to do, I have an alternative. So we can just skip that. And we'll just create a new one. I'm going to call this Bobby underscore Hotamov. So now we'll just go inside of Bobby Hotamov. And then we'll create a PHP. So we'll get that inside. And here somewhere I'm gonna put PHP. Just say welcome to Thomas. Okay, so let's put that, and we're gonna exit out. All right, so that portion is done. Now I'm gonna give a proper permission on that. So Bobby Hotamov is fine, and looks like it belongs to John Toshmatov. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to AWS. AWS. And we're gonna be clicking on Route 53. So here we're gonna click on myitedu.us. I'm gonna create an alias. So what I do is I click on simply routing, click next. Right here, that's what we're gonna be defining. Okay. So I just put the Bobby only, because you don't want Bobby at myitedu.us. Before we do that, I'm gonna open up yes. I have to get the IP address. This. That. Let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, good. And next thing we're gonna do, come back here. You pick the IP address and put right here, Bobby. Boom. And boom. Beautiful. So we're gonna give a couple minutes. It should propagate through network, and it will be available to public very, very shortly.
What was the URL? Bobby.myit.us?
Yeah, Bobby.myit.us.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, very good. So now what I'm gonna do is we'll just say Bobby.myit.edu. Okay, so as you can see, it's taking to the primary page. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back here, and then we'll say edit. Start with the host. See if I have the host. I guess not. Let's try this with host. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go to www and then come back here. And somewhere here I have, okay, so let's do etc Apache. And I'm going to have to go inside of sites available, cd, sites available. And then here, this one, let me go inside of a sudo. And now I'm going to copy one of those. So I'll just say cp, and then also do this. Just call it Bobby. Then Bobby. Oops. And right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to mention Bobby here. Okay, so somewhere here, is a Bobby. And then also, I have to put Bobby here. Did I set up as a Bobby or Bobby Hotamov? I don't remember. Maybe it's Bobby Hotamov, right?
Yeah,
It
was just Bobby.
was just Bobby?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, that's Bobby. And the myitedu.us, Bobby myitedu. Okay, let's try that. See how this is gonna work. And then we're gonna have to do is en2 site, I believe is Bobby is user. The en2 site, right? Inside, inside, sorry. Inside, right? I2 inside. What is that? Is that working for me? A2 inside, that should work. Inside. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna grab this guy. Boom. And then put the system. Start. All right, let me check it out, see if that's gonna be available shortly. Okay. Not yet. Not yet. Let's try the Bobby. Okay. So apparently, what happened? We might have probably called it wrong. Okay, we called this Bobby Hotamov. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change that to Bobby. Okay. Now that should be good. Bobby right there. Now if I come back and refresh it, boom, now it's got it. Okay. Bobby.myitedu.us. Now as soon as I set up the GitHub right here, so I'm gonna go copy and then go inside, cd Bobby. And then what I'll do is I'll just say git init. Very good. We'll just say git remote-v git remote at URL, and let's see if we can add that. Git remote v, that's good. And then we'll just say git add dot, git commit, initial setup. So then I'm gonna have to grab this guy and then just update a couple things. That would be my name. By the way, if you're wondering, this is a nano, not a Vim. Let's call this John Koshnikov. And obviously my email. Okay, I think we should be good. Let's get out of here. Good. And now let's do one more thing. Set up, that's good. And then we're gonna come back here. We'll just say hit push origin. Okay, now read origin does not occur. Okay. Hit push. That's what we're trying to do, right? Hit name. And then it's asking for origin, but it's not accepting. Something is really good this one. Origin. No. So it's not accepting the origin. So let me try one more time. myitedu. Okay. Something wrong, to be honest with you, with the GitHub account.
I think they changed master to something else. They changed the master command, yeah, because I think it was like racist.
Oh, it's a master.
They changed it to something else.
Really? Git remote. Well, let me try again. So. Okay, so let's see if we can finally git branch m. Okay. again, get push origin. I'm telling you, GitHub is out of commission today, all day. Hasn't been working. Yeah. See, I'm not able to do anything with this. With push origin. So we can try it later or something. So I can't even do anything. So, okay. That is definitely a problem. We don't do it. But at least we set up your site, so that site should be fine now. So what you do, Bobby, so you go ahead, develop your own site on a local server. And next thing we're going to do right now, so let me just put my laptop away and jump on the Windows. So I have three things going on here. Let's see. Next thing we want to do is go to, let me just get out of here. Okay. So now we're going to go to Theme Forest and let's try to pick the template, I guess. Okay. Go to the Theme Forest. Theme Forest. Easy to work.
Connected.
Okay, Pinterest, guys, it's easiest. I'm telling you, it's the cheapest, most convenient templates out there. I'm not endorsing anything, any products, but I'm telling from my own experience. Usually, for me, it takes I don't know, very very fast. I can set it up any site, so that's why I recommend anyone. If you want something like quick, you can just set it up right away. So Bobby, when we start looking for the template, so you want to build it just a plain like a site, right? You don't want to use any template. You don't want to use like a framework. Just want HTML, PHP, and that's it, right?
Yeah, just some HTML.
Okay. So if that's the case, then we're gonna have to go to the HTML. Let's click on that. And any particular like a category you're looking for, like just one page?
Yeah, just one page.
One page. We can do that on page. And let's see. There are a lot of them out there, so just have to pick. Let's like Team Forest, design. You guys like any of those? Just one page, but with the page gerek bizga Bobby'ni saytini qurganida sizlarga bo'ladimi shunaqa? So,
Should I introduce myself?
Yeah.
Assalomu alaikum. Ismim Bobojon. Hamma Bobby chaqiradi mani. Man myitedu kirdim. I came to myitedu or about 5-6 months ago, and I successfully graduated, and I passed the SEN certification. I got my certificate, and now I'm getting ready to build my resume. We're halfway done through that. Get my name out there, apply for jobs, get some entry-level jobs, get some experience, get some internships, so I can move on and represent myself for me and my ITDU, John Tashmata, of course.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much. Introduction. I guess we should have done it early.
30 minutes.
I was just jump on it right away, so I apologize. Yaxshi, savollaring yaxshi, rahmat. Let's see what else going on here. How to find Amazon. It says Farg'onada alangali salomlar. Salom Farg'ona. Sizlarni Farg'ona vodiymiz. Keyin bitta bosib tursak. Assalomu alaykum, Jon Toshmatov. Alaykum assalom. Qo'qondan assalomu alaykum. Hammaga salom deyapti. Assalomu alaykum yozib olgani efirda YouTube'da. Sodirbek, bizda YouTube'da kanalda bo'ladi, arxivda и Facebook'da ham bo'ladi. Так что hech ijod bo'lmang. Bemalol kechqurun ertaga kelib ko'rishingiz mumkin. And Windows qanaqa bo'ladi? Sanjarbek, oddiy anaqa ishlatsangiz ham bo'laveradi. Just use your just terminal. I don't think it's going to be a problem. So Windows ishlatishingiz shart emas. Oddiy Windows ishlatsangiz ham bo'ladi. It's no problem, okay? Zamt ishlatsangiz yaxshiroq bo'ladi. Muhammad Umar, Vim Ubuntu command line interface'da ishlovchi dastur adashmasam. Da. Keyin some Facebook guy saying salam alaykum, wa alaykum assalam. Well, молодцы, ребята. Let's help Bobby pick a nice template. So with your help, so I'm open for suggestions. Go ahead, start writing, and I'm gonna share my screen, and we're gonna go through one at a time. If you guys like certain things, let me know. I wanna know your taste, what do you think about it, and tell me why. Right? So, okay, guys. Any questions? Just go ahead, throw at me. I'm gonna go back sharing my screen, and let's go at it. Yeah, Bobby. So, what do you think as far as your style? Like, what is like a dark background you want? You want something modern, classic?
Yeah, I think a dark background would be like more professional.
Dark
I'm
background.
looking for professional somehow.
Okay. So let's take a look at this guy right here. See about what we think about this. Let's close everything else. We'll create a one-page parallax. Oh, that's parallax. That means there's in the back. Look at this. It's kind of interactive. It's kind of game. So those guys are going away based on my mouse movement. So let's scroll down. That's awesome. And then there are different demos here. So let me look at, let's say, like slider. Wow. I really like this one. I'm digging it. Cheap. About. Look at that. Services. Okay, prices. Oh my goodness. That's nice, right? All right, let's put that kind of as a candidate, right? So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna put, no, I'm gonna get closer. I'm just gonna keep going. So that's one of the options. Exxon clean one-page templates. How about this one? North. This is about what? This is demos. You want parallax? Let's try the parallax. Is that working here? Good. Oh, Bobby, look at that. Woo. Get the picture right there, and that's gonna look awesome. Oh, that's whoa. That's smooth. I like that. Look at that.
It was like those collapses from Bootstrap.
Look at that. Boom. Just boom. Love them. We go to services. Development. In the map. What do you think?
I like
Can we
this
keep
one
that?
too.
Okay, and then we'll make
I think
decisions.
this would be a,
Let's pick top five, and then we'll just make decisions. How does that sound? Is that good?
sounds good.
Okay, we got so far two. Okay, Bobby. So next one comes. Let's modify our
Search.
search here. Yeah. So let's say we put the technology. Whoa. And then also parallax. And portfolio. Let's take a look at professional. Let's see what this means. almost like the same as we saw over here.
Mm-hmm. Second one.
Yeah. But the price wise, this is $15. Okay. Are you open for white background? Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, this is definitely different. Let's remove this frame and then see what happens. What about services? Any questions? Not bad.
Hmm.
Not bad.
I like the
All right.
transitions.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Looks good. Um,
What about that one right there? Particle.
what?
The one
Oh, this,
underneath it.
oh yeah, yeah. Okay, that also gives you quite different devices here too. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to pick doc demo. Let's remove this. Whoa!
Mm-hmm. Interactive.
Anybody comes into your website, you can have fun. What happened there? What behind it? Oh, you're gonna put your picture right there, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I love this one actually. Look at this. And how do you go back to the top? Maybe that might be the only thing. Whoa, there's a navigation right here.
They got like a little nav bar down there too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm digging this to be honest with you.
Mm-hmm. I like the color. I like the colors.
Look at the
I like the
background.
technology. It's interactive.
Let's get this one, bro. Let's get this one.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? And then I'll expensive $17. You get it?
Yeah.
All right. I'm adding this to shopping cart. How do you say? Buy now. Oh, let me check one more thing before you do that. Let me check it out. How it looks on. Oh, and this is awesome, bro. This is good. You know what? You don't have to think twice.
Is this like a one-time purchase, or do you
No, one
pay
time.
every month? One time.
No, once you purchase it,
Mm-hmm.
I'll just purchase it. I'm gonna log in. I log in already. Yeah. Sign in. What am I logging in here? Oh, that's the wrong account. Not because I want to log in. Yeah, these are all mine. I just purchased like hundreds of
Wow.
hundreds. I spent like over $1,000. And I use them for my clients, for my students. So now, where was the site that we want? This one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Click on add card. Let's go to secure checkout. Very good. Handling fees. And pay with a different card. Yeah, what is it? Same, pay with a different card. Well, what is this? That's what I'm asking, bro. Mana? Okay. Okay, we're good to go now. Now, as soon as we fix the local host, then we should be fine.
Would you edit it online on the website, or do you download an
No,
application?
yeah, you're gonna have to do it locally. First locally, and then we'll push it to GitHub. For some reason, I think it's not working for me. Let's try to get that again. Not working. Get it anymore. Actually, roll. And the origin and the URL. Okay, so let's go ahead and start over. So, okay, so fine, but now what I'm having problem with GitHub. Let me try like a different repository. Not sure why. Not sure why. Yeah, a lot of them here. Let me see if this is my work. That's not. How about we just create it here? You know what? Maybe because of the private. Let's do the. Let me just. Okay, copy that. And then here, let's try this. Git remote. Add. Your Git in clouds. Okay. So git add data place remote. Git remote. Add URL. Git full version not yet. Something is really going on. I got wait. Okay, now last one is something is gone wrong, really gone wrong. Double check. What I'm gonna do, Bobby. I will send you in a Telegram, and then we're gonna set up on your local. How does that sound?
Okay.
Because the GitHub is not working. I can't pull anything, and that may be a problem for us. Okay. Qarang, hozir shu paytgacha nima qildik? AWSdan anaqa yaratdik, Bobby'niki ishlayapti, TeamForestdan anaqa oldik, bo'ldi, hammasi tayyor. Endi Bobby'ga ozgina vaqt beramiz. Bobby'ni o'rnatib bo'lgandan keyin Bobby is going to basically work on his site, and then he'll come back again. Then we're going to do one more show, like a live study session, work session, and then he's going to show us what he has done so far, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yep.
So you guys how I transformed the theme into something completely different.
Exactly. Okay, let me see. There's a little bit of a noise. Let me see. Buhaya, you hear some noise here?
Is it coming from my end?
I'm not sure. Let me check. All right. Walaikum assalam, Ali John. It says, please speak somehow louder. Okay. Gulhaya, walaikum assalam. Sanjar Bey says, kill tech, and I'm not sure, Sanjar Bey, what do you mean? And it says there's a little noise, so it's been a bit difficult to catch your words. Okay, we apologize. Can you guys hear me okay now? Ghalib, Nazlab, what's happening, bro? Muhammad Umar, o'zi bilan kifoyalanib qolib bo'lmas ekan, Simforestda temizlarni narxga sotib olish mumkin ekan. That is correct. You don't have to build yourself from scratch. Ya'ni o'zingiz qurishingiz shart emas. Simforestni olasiz $14-15 qurib tap o'tashlaysiz. Yeah, so right now it's about working smart, not so much hard now. But if you know how to build, that's good. You can customize it, because that's what's all about, customization. Working with the images, you can Photoshop, working with the different things. So, but it's good to know. Alijan, Marif, see you later, brother. It says shunday bo'lsa bo'lish kerak, Sanjarbek deyapti. Rahmat sizlarga ham. And let's see. Muhammad Umar, lekin Angular yoki React'larni yaxshi professional darajada bilgan inson Amerikada ham o'z yo'lini topishi olsa kerak. Juda ham to'g'ri. Qaysi sohada bo'lsak ham zo'r bo'ladi. Da. Hammasi yaxshi, rahmat. Endi hozir we're going to have to troubleshoot the GitHub. I don't know why it's not working. Something with either server. Server is fine, it seems like. But other than that, yeah, I think that should do it for now. But what I'm going to do, Bobby, I'll go ahead, fix that issue, and then also I'll drop you the theme forest that we just purchased today, and that should be on your local. So I'll help you set up as well. Or try that, and if you have a hard time, ping me, and then I can help you. I'll walk you through. So all you have to do, go to host file, add that bobby.com or .uz or something, and go to the vhost and add that, and then also point it to XAMPP/htdocs, and you have to create one there. And baba, it's ready to go. Okay. Like I said, if you have a hard time, ping me. I'll be home. I don't have class till 4, but I do have some projects I'm going to be working on today.
All right. Yeah, thank you so much for having me. It's been a pleasure meeting all your viewers, working with you.
Yeah, absolutely.
And next time.
Yes. So if you can show us when you come back, and savollaring bo'lsa Bobbyga bemalol beraveringlar.
Katta rahmat, hamma sog' bo'linglar.
Yes, Bobby o'zim studentim, yaxshi bola. Amerikada yashagan. Qancha bo'ldi Amerikada yashaganingizga, Bobby?
13-14 yil bo'lyapti.
Yoshligida kelgansizda, kichkinaligingizda?
7dan 8dan kelganman. Endi 20 biz.
Bobby, qaysi maktabda o'qidingiz? Lincolndanmi yoki Madisondanmi? Lincolndan. Ko'pchilik shu Lincolnda anaqa deydi. Is that good school? What do you think?
Yeah, menimcha yomon school, yomon.
Maybe. Brooklynda yashaydiganlar, New Yorkda yashaydiganlar bilasizlar. Abraham Lincoln, it's on Ocean Parkway.
Cornell Hospital.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. The building is not bad, right? It looks like
building's not bad. Teachers are not bad. Students, ko'p qoralar.
Yo, seriously.
Shuhlar. O'lganlar ko'p borda.
Seriously? Nimaga unaqa? Traditsiya shunaqa.
Qora joylarda.
Ular ko'pmi o'sha yerga boradimi?
Yeah. But there's a lot of Uzbek people too. I met a lot of Uzbek people. Some good kids, yeah.
Damn. No, nimachi, nimadagi, what's the name? Is that goddamn Avenue? Is that Avenue P or there's a Madison, James Madison?
Yeah, somewhere over there, like Avenue Avenue P, somewhere over there.
Yeah, is that good school too?
I heard it's a good school, yeah.
Uh,
I heard it's better than Lincoln, yeah.
well, I don't know. I don't know what young generation is up to nowadays. A lot of them don't want to study. They want to go to school. They just, I don't know. I see a lot of them right here.
I wouldn't blame the U.S. education system. It's really messed up, especially
Really?
New York's education system, yeah.
Damn.
That's why
You're
I
not the only
decided
one.
to drop out and come here, you know.
Oh,
And I'm
really?
so glad I did, yeah.
Oh,
So
my
glad I
God.
did.
There's my neighbor. He's a good kid. He used to attend my classes, and I said, which school did you go to? And he said, Abraham Lincoln. And what happened? Did you finish? Did you graduate? And it's like, no. I'm like, why? I couldn't take it. It's just so much uh, hate and so much like violence and all that stuff going on. So I said, you know what? It's best if I just do something else. I'm like, wow, this is the first time. So yeah, he's a good kid, but I think he probably needs a good mentor. I try to be a mentor for him, but unfortunately he needs to work. So shunaqa gaplar. Amerikada high school
Hammasi asta keladi hammaga.
high school endi high school juda ham muhim nimada endi vaqt kelsa to'g'risida man o'zim Midwestda o'sganmanda. Midwestda yashaganim uchun u yerda boshqacharoq Amerikani Chicago, Iowa ular traditionally уже boshqacha nima mentalitet ishlar o'qishga tayyorlanishi
Schuster
o'qituvchilar. Bu New York is metropolitan, bigger city, and plus liberal city da bu.
And the ego is different too here. People's
Da.
attitudes tasdig'ini hamma narsa boshqacha.
I know. U yerda judayam o'ta hurmat qiladi maktablarda, judayam astoydorona qiladi.
Menda boshqacha shunday.
Exactly. All right, Bobby. Guys, thanks for joining today. We're going to talk about the Laravel. I'm going to let you guys know tomorrow. Xudo xolasa, Laraveldan boshlaymiz. Sanjarbek Davlatov, keyin G'olibjon, Muhammad Umar, stay active. Xudo xolasa listini berdi menga. Kim Laravel bilan shug'ullanmoqchi bo'lsa. Bobby, you're welcome. You're invited.
Absolutely. I'll try to join if I have free time.
Yeah, I will let you know. I'll send you the link. Otherwise, I'm putting together the Laravel team. So I got about 15 people nowadays. I would say 15, and then I'm gonna start from the scratch. I'm gonna install from installation, and we're gonna go through a lot of the stuff, and then eventually I'm gonna assign a project to these guys, and they're gonna be working on it. So
you're restarting your Laravel course?
Yeah, exactly. So, and that's what I'm doing. Give me 1 second. Good morning, this is John. Can I help you? Hello. Okay, I'm getting a lot of spams and scam calls. So, Sanjar Beg is asking question. It's Bobby. That let me just show him. Okay, hang on. Sanjar Beg, let's how. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay. This is his address, Bobby.myitedu. Right here. Right now it's empty, okay? So as soon as everything's set up, it'll be good. Gördünüz mü?
3 kundan keyin kursiz.
Da. Yeah, give me time. Sometimes it may take time. So biz ana qilib olganimizdan keyin GitHub ishlatib olsak, men ishlatib keyin Bobbyga Sinforest'ni bersam bo'ldi, ishlab ketadi-da, xudo xolasa. G'olibjon is also one of my active students. Also, now he started working for me now, so he's doing a good job. He's very good with WordPress. He built with his team, with the other guys, also the Dasuchi.com. Unfortunately, it got hacked, so I had to, take him down. I'm gonna have to fix that later. But yeah, this guy's awesome. So Rahmat G'olibjon, you're welcome, brother. Sanjarbek, Gulistonga salom yana bir bor. Bo'ldi. Demak, sizlar bilan Xudo xolasa biz yana ko'rishamiz, azizlar. Bobbyni birinchi oxirgi marta emas, Xudo xolasa yana keladi Bobby. Men darslarga ham qatnashib nima qilaman. Keyingi safar Xudo xolasa Bobby o'zini progressini aytib beradi bizga. So how is she doing? How's the study? How's the job hunting? And how's the project coming? So we will definitely keep in touch. Is that right?
Absolutely. Absolutely, sir.
Okay, all right. Well, God bless everyone, guys. I really, truly appreciate you taking time today and joining us. And I'm very excited and glad to see you guys, everyone here. Okay.
All right. Thank you for having me once again. Hamma sog' bo'linglar, bahor bo'linglar.
All right.
Thank you again.
Hammaga salomatchilik. Well, one more thing is asking Jon aka bugun navbatchilarimiz. Xudo xolasa agar nasib qilsa G'olibjon harakat qilaman gaplashishga. Juda bo'lmasa ertaga bir 15 minutga kiramanda men sizlarga Laravel'dan video tashlab yuboraman. Hammalaringga o'sha gruppaga, YouTube'ga qo'yib qo'yaman. Bo'ladimi? Keyin обязательно darsimizni schedule qilib olamiz. Once a week or twice a week we'll see. So God bless everyone. Allohning o'zi hamisha o'z panohida asrasin. Qayerda bo'lmaylik ham sog' salomat bo'linglar. Xudo xolasa o'ylaymanki, sizlar bilan yana ko'rishamiz. Bugungi hozirgi jonli lavhamizga yakun yasadik. Har doim sog' omon bo'linglar. Hozircha xayr.
Xayr.